Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31, you will need a few essential tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have a clean workspace to organize your components and screws as you proceed. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and lid to access the control panel area. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two screws located at the back of the unit that secure the control panel in place. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the control panel away from the main body. Be careful not to damage any of the connecting wires. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. At this stage, if you're not comfortable with the disassembly, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you determine the best course of action for your device. With the control panel detached, you will notice the wiring connections. Use your tweezers to carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the panel. Note the orientation of the wires as you remove them. This will be crucial when you connect the new panel. If you're concerned about handling these components, we provide a pickup and delivery service at your home, allowing you to avoid any hassle. After disconnecting the old panel, take the new control panel and connect the wiring harness, ensuring that each wire is secured in its correct position. This step is vital for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. If you find yourself struggling with this part, remember, no calls, no travel, just reach out to us for assistance. Once the new control panel is connected, gently position it back onto the main body of the Thermomix. Align it properly and press it into place. Now, take the previously removed screws and secure the panel by tightening them with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Before closing up, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the unit while you were working. Use a soft cloth to wipe the interior surfaces gently. This not only keeps your Thermomix looking great but also enhances its performance. If you prefer, we can also provide you with a quote before repair if any additional work is needed. Finally, once everything is securely in place and cleaned, plug the Thermomix back into the power source. Test the new control panel to ensure it functions correctly. Your Thermomix TM31 should now be ready for use with its new control panel, helping you create your favorite recipes with ease. If you encounter any issues during the installation, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your Thermomix continues to serve you well. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.